Confused about Shopify POS login options? Many merchants struggle with this exact issue. So let's break down the difference between email and PIN access when logging in. First things first, there are two ways to log in. Email login uses your Shopify store credentials and is required for initial setup. PIN login is a quicker option after initial setup. Remember, when setting up a new device, you'll always need to use email login first, even if you have a PIN. This is a common sticking point for many merchants. To set up PIN access for your staff, there are two methods, depending on your subscription plans and needs. If you're on POS Pro, regardless of the Shopify plan, you have the option to set POS-only users. These users will not have access to the admin or e-commerce components. From your admin dashboard, select Point of Sale, then select Staff. Here, you can manage POS roles, add staff, and reset PINs. If you don't have POS Pro or prefer to grant staff admin access, you will need to be on the Shopify Grow plan or higher. From your admin dashboard, click on Settings, then Users, and select the users you want to grant access to. From there, you can add staff members and assign them POS permissions by creating a custom role. If a staff member can't log in using their PIN, first ensure they're entering it correctly. Still having issues? You may need to reset the PIN. Also make sure the initial email login was done with an account that has set up new or updated POS devices permission. Otherwise, PINs won't work.